Hi, this is Ani. Ani Day Trades on StockTwits and Twitter. That's how I'm known there. And my blog is daytradingwithani.com. You can find many articles there that I've written since about August of 2007 about trading and life and how they relate to each other. Here I am also making more commentary there about what I see on the daily charts. This is the weekly outlook that I did yesterday, and today I'm going to update it for you because of the changes that occurred. And let's take a closer look at this and see if we can look at it from the monthly side. But before to do that, I'm going to delete some of these, and I'm going to take some of these off so we can actually see what's happening, because we want to go from the possible. We want to see the possible and the actual at the same time. This is about, I don't need this one right there. I'm going to take that off for now. And this will be also be taken off. I don't think we need that either anymore. For the time being, definitely. And we'll have a clearer look here as to what's going on. Take a look at this pattern right here, or this upswing right here, and this is our channel basically for the monthly, and we are heading towards this area right there on the SPX. Okay, if I reduce this a little bit closer for the daily, we can start seeing this was the previous all-time high that we broke out of, and we made a new high just yesterday off of it, of the previous previous high. So right now we are basically double topping right there. We gave back two or almost 3 days worth of gains on this, but this will be possibly tested here again. Now, one of the things that can be happening here is that we are forming a pattern which will have to come down to this area right here to complete. If we start breaking this down one more time, then we'll have a couple of other support levels, of course, before that will be totally clear. But that's what I'd be watching for right now. Remember, this is a long candle. This can pop back up, and about the 50% mark would be about right here, about the 1590, 1589, 1590 marker, and then it would have to also test this again and actually break out of it in order to obviously to continue higher. Okay, let's take a look at the Dow Jones, a little clearer chart on that as well. And remember, the SPX now seems to be the leader in these markets. So let's keep that in mind. I will be taking this off now also. If I look at further out on the Dow Jones, you can see that it was really this sharp right here, this sharp upward channel that it's been following for a while, and really moving rather quickly through it. And of course, this pause is almost necessary, as I said before. This channel is right here. This one does not seem to be right now in play. However, it certainly can drop back down into it, and then we'd be starting to watch this bottom line once, of course, these other supports are gone. And that's exactly what we need to be watching here, in my opinion, is where this how well this can tolerate or bounce back from these tests. Okay, certainly we did not test this yet. The previous all-time high has yet to be tested, so that too is somewhere on the horizon, because remember, we are going to have some sort of a pullback scenario, whether it's for a month or 2 months, because this is the monthly, or whether it's for several months, we're going to have to do something in order to start a bounce one more time. This has been a nice up movement upwards since since the last quarter of 2012. So we're going into basically a 6 months gain here of movement up, and that usually shows right there that what can happen. May is also a go away month, and that needs to be kept in mind as well. Okay, so on the daily here, what I'm again looking at is the same sort of pattern where you start wondering if this gets challenged down here, and then further, if I move this out, then a further bottom. Certainly this test could be coming. So keep that in mind. This test, and this test is possibility. Not necessarily actuality until it happens. But that's what I'm about, is from the possibility to the actuality. That's what I try to train people in, so they can see forward, not backward. Okay, have a great day. Good luck in the markets, and trade it well and carefully as always. Bye-bye.